To change the speed limit in Mearth RS Pro, you have to press power button and function button together, and you will come to P settings. So we have to go to P1 from function button, press one time, you will come to P1, and now we have to grab left brake and press the function button all together for 2 seconds. So you have to grab it and then press the function button for 2 seconds. So we're gonna do it. So just grab the brake and press it for 2 seconds. Now the speed limit function P4 is available, so you have to press the power button, and then you can change with the function button whichever speed you desire. Once you select, press together, and that's it.